Welcome to day 2 Sturgis. Today we're gonna head up with Nico here. Everybody else partied a little bit too hard last night, so they're gonna take their time getting up and then you'll hit the road maybe a little bit later. But I couldn't wait to ride this motorcycle. I finally got fixed into the Black Hills, so we're gonna head over to Mount Rushmore first. Then from there we're gonna hit Iron Mountain Road, Custer State Park, and Needles Highway, coming all the way back into Deadwood. We'll probably hang out there for a little bit, and then yeah, the rest is a mystery, man. We'll see. But come hang out with us and enjoy the ride. Sorry, I can't. Yeah. We crossed over the line before the yellow, that's what I thought. But if you saw different, you guys are the eyes, so.
It's on camera.
No, that's fine.
It's red. When you guys crossed over the double line to get into the intersection, the light was red.
Well, it's
Yep. Out of the way. I don't want to get run over.
I know, right?
Where you guys stand?
Right there at the Lamphia Ranch.
Okay.
Oh, just a second.
What'd you do?
Nothing good.
Well, I've been in those, so I know it was
Knee surgery, so I dislocated my MCL, PCL, ACL, meniscus, shattered my tibia, ruptured my artery.
This is his first ride since.
Massive vein out here, yeah.
Were you bored?
Yeah, I was
Okay.
bored, yeah. Skateboard, doing kickflips.
Skateboard.
Yeah, that sounds reasonable.
And then you got the nerve to get on your bike. I hate writing tickets.
I appreciate that.
I hate writing tickets, especially for people that live out of state. We have a pay-or-stay program, so literally I have to collect bond on site and transport that to the county. And if you can't pay the bond on site, I'll let you go to an ATM. And if you can't do that, I have to take you to jail. I don't want to take you to jail, okay? So if you want to run red lights, if you want to speed, make sure you have plenty of cash on your person, or just don't do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay? There's other cops out there that will write tickets constantly.
I appreciate you.
All right? Well, starting off at 117.50.
Oh, he's right there on
And
the
it goes
spot.
up.
Yeah.
So, like I said, I don't want to write you tickets. I want to talk to you because we've already had 8 fatal motorcycle accidents throughout the rally already. We're on day 3.
Yeah, we saw something on the what's happening in Sturgis post, Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore and Needles Highway. You'd be surprised how many people are cutting their teeth by coming to the rally.
Yeah.
It's not the place to learn, but watch the speeds,
Yes, sir.
stop signs, traffic laws, and keep your head on a swivel.
We definitely will.
Okay? Because I don't want to see anybody get hurt.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for that. Yeah.
Thank you, officer.
Yeah, no problem. I
Appreciate it.
stopping. I appreciate you paying attention.
appreciate you being kind.
Remember what I'm telling you. I'm only looking out for your best interest.
Oh, 100%. No, we believe it.
You understand that.
As soon as we get you both cleared, as long as you're not wanted by the FBI, Secret Service, or IRS, maybe ICE.
Oh.
All right. Please ride
Okay.
safe.
We sure will, man.
Enjoy the rest of your rally. How long are you in town for?
We leave Tuesday,
Tuesday.
and then we're heading out to Beartooth Pass.
Beautiful ride.
We have a bunch of new guys with us that have never hit that, and I can't wait to show them.
Swing through Devil's Tower on your way.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh man, all right. You guys should check out my YouTube channel too, ATC Jeremy Rides.
Yeah, he ate me.
I don't have a sticker on me right now, but
You got a card or anything?
I normally do have stickers, but I forgot to bring my stickers on this one.
All right. Please ride safe.
Yes, sir.
Have a great day.
Thank you guys. Thanks for being understanding. Appreciate it.
Like I said, I would
Thank you.
rather talk to you than write tickets.
Yeah.
Okay? Thanks.
Thanks, you guys. Have a good one. You guys be safe too, huh? Hey, the cops in Sturgis, especially the ones that we were just talking to, it sounds like they really just want safety out here. They weren't lying. The story he was just saying, there has been so many fatalities out here. You guys, Sturgis is not the place to learn how to ride your motorcycle. And if you're out in the mountain... Oh, shit. Yep, they went down. They're working on somebody. They got the ambulances coming. I can see them in the rearview mirror right now. Yeah, I hope they're alright. Anyways, back to the road. Let's go. All wood. We just gotta find a couple parking spots along the road here.
Right up here anywhere?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's up, guys? We just got to Keystone. Now, to me, this is like the gateway to Mount Rushmore and Iron Mountain Road. So we're gonna go hit that next, but I think we're gonna hang out here, have some refreshments, and then hit the road, and we'll take you guys along with us. All right. As soon as this goes away. Right now, everybody's hiding underneath here.
We're just heading out of Keystone, and right up the hill, like I said, Keystone is the gateway to Mount Rushmore. So just right up the street is Mount Rushmore, and right back there, we just passed a turn there. That was Iron Mountain Road. So, yep, just a couple corners. That storm I think is passing, or might get worse. I don't know, but we're like just sick of sitting around. So we hopped on the bikes, and we're gonna get after it. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh, here we go. I think it's right around this corner. Now, have any of you guys ever been to Mount Rushmore? Now, during the Sturgis rally, or before or after the rally, have you guys ever been up here to check it out? Right up there. Mount Rushmore. What do you think, honestly? Pretty cool, but I don't know, I've always felt like it in movies and videos, it just looked so much bigger than I see it here. Alright guys, we're headed down the hill from Mount Rushmore now. I tried to pop the drone up for you, but it said it was a restricted area and it didn't let me do it, so we're headed down back towards Keystone, and we'll be making a right here at Iron Mountain Road. This is one of my all-time favorites at Sturgis, so I'm excited to do it. I don't have my handlebar camera since it broke off and on the way down here, but I'll show you guys a couple clips before we get to Needles Highway and Custer State Park. We're in Needles Highway, part of Custer State Park. There is an admission fee, I asked if they had a veteran discount, and they do not, unless you set up through like a lifetime program you could do online. I forgot what he called it though. And I think it's like tiered prices due to disability or anything if you have that. But yeah, so this road I haven't done in so many years. My buddy Bobby and Kim, they all took me on this when I first got to Sturgis. And then my buddy Adam, me and him and my buddy Landon, we were able to hit this during COVID and nobody was here. So we had like the whole place to ourselves. It was awesome. But yeah, wait till you see this, man. The way so they call it needles because the rocks are shaped like needles, big ass spires, man, out of the ground. So it's really cool. And again, there's just a bunch of, they got a bunch of tunnels cut into the stone too. So that's pretty cool. People did say you could see Mount Rushmore from this one, but I don't have any experience there, so I wouldn't even know where to point. Anyways, check it out. Sick. Such a cool ride, man. Getting a little rained on, but just the views are incredible out here, aren't they? Wow. It's one thing about Sturgis, everybody always likes to party, but they forget about the cool riding that's right here, man. Only like an hour away from Sturgis. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Dude. That's pretty cool. A little bit of gravel on the road there. Main Street, Deadwood. We kicked it over there for a little bit, and I didn't know how they felt about cameras in this casino, but Trent, so Bryce, one of the shop owners' dad, he threw $6 in the machine. The max bet was $3. He bet on a $3 bet, he won $600. So that was pretty awesome. We also got a poker chip from my friend Kevin. You saw Kevin in last year's Sturgis videos. He went with me to go see 2 Lane live. Well, he passed away on his motorcycle this last Thanksgiving. And last time we were out here in Sturgis, all he wanted to do was come to Deadwood. And well, he wanted to get a poker chip from every Harley dealer out here at the Sturgis rally. And because we were in a time crunch, we only stopped at Black Hills and didn't go by Deadwood. So he was never able to get it. His wife put a little container for Harley poker chips at his gravesite, so I got him a poker chip for Deadwood, and I'm gonna go bring it to him on probably Thursday when we get back. So we're gonna hit the Boars Nest right now. I've never been here. I've just seen people go there from like Instagram and stuff like that. So I don't know if the burgers are good, but it looks like a total fucking vibe, so I'm all about it. And we're gonna head there, be there in probably about 10 minutes. It's just up here past Leeds.
All right, we're in the Boars Nest. I just ordered my combo, number 52. I'll show it to you guys when we get it, but it sounds like it's gonna be pretty good. Bam. Made the fry sauce. We got the burger, the pulled pork, cheese, big ass patty. And then when we're done, we're gonna go downtown and just have a good time, let loose. Everybody's a little sore. We rode all day in the rain, so it's been crazy.
All over my garage.
All right, guys. Well, Boars Nest did not disappoint. That was some good food there, and just enjoyed our time together. I was really hoping we were going to get out of there before dark, but look at it. We'll end it right here. We're going to enjoy the rest of our night, and we'll see you guys in the morning for what we get into on day 3. It's Sturgis Motorcycle Rally.